In this video, I am going to show you how you can withdraw your Hamster tokens to your exchange. Okay, whether you are using Binance, OKX, or Bybit, and even if you are using any ton wallet or non-custodial wallet. All right. So now all you have to do is to come to this section, which is the airdrop section. All right. Just click on that. Then just scroll it up and you can see we have two sections over here. We have points and we have withdrawal. So make sure you navigate to withdrawal section. All right, so you just have to click on that and you're going to see something like this. Right, so we have many options here. So we have Binance exchange, we have OKX exchange, we have Bybit exchange, we have wallet in Telegram, we have EBI exchange, and we have the on-chain airdrop. Right, so now we are going to walk through most of them. All right, so first of all, I am going to use Binance exchange. So I'm just going to click on Binance and I'm going to click on yes, I have it. All right, so if you are new to Binance, I'll leave the link at the description. Make sure you just click on it and you go and create your account. It's very simple, and make sure you do your KYC. So you are going to verify with your face and with your ID card. All right, so I'll take it as if you already have your account. All right, so all you have to do is open your Binance app. So now all you have to do is just click on wallet, okay, which is this section. Just click on this, okay, wallet. All right, then you click on deposit, which is this one, okay, deposit. Then we have to search for the Hamster token over here. So come to the search section and type HMS. So this is Hamster. Just click on that, then select ton coin. Okay, so now we have two options here. So we have the deposit address and you have the memo. Okay, so I'm just going to click on that to select to copy the address back to Hamster. I'm going to paste it over here, paste back to Binance. I'm going to copy the memo, which is this one, okay, which is this one. This is the memo, okay. So you just have to click on this to copy. So I'm going to click on that to copy back here, and I'm going to paste it over here as well. Then that's all. Then I have to just click on save and choose. All right, so you can see, well done, stay tuned with updates. Right, so thanks. Okay, so that is it. So your request to Binance was sent, you get it. So that's how you can withdraw your tokens to Binance mobile app. So let me see if I can yes, there's other options here. Okay, since I've already done Binance, I can do other options, but they are all the same. So when you go to, if you are using OKX, and when you go to that section, okay, let me see. So when let's say this is OKX, okay, so I'm going to open the OKX app, then I'm going to show you the process on the OKX app. You get the point? Yes. So if you don't have an account on OKX, I'll leave the link at the description. Make sure you click on it and create your account. You have to do your facial verification or your KYC with your facial verification and ID card. Yes. So I'm going to the OKX app, the OKX. Now this is the OKX app, okay. All you have to do is just click here, click on assets, right? Just click on that. Okay, so now you just have to click on deposit, okay, the same procedure, okay, all right, deposit. Then you click on deposit crypto, okay, which is the first one, okay, deposit crypto. Then you have to search for Hamster here, so HMS. So this is Hamster. Just click on Hamster, okay. So that is it. So you have to just slide to continue, and that is all. So this is your address and this is the memo, okay. Hamster call it OKS call it comment, okay. All you have to do is just click the address or copy the address, come to the section, this Hamster section, paste it, okay, back to the OKS. You copy the comment section, then paste it at the memo section in Hamster. That's all. All right, so what about Bybit? Okay, the same procedure. I'm going to open the Bybit app. It's either you click here or better still you come to this section, the asset section. All right, so you just have to click on asset, okay, just click on that. So come back later, don't worry. So now you just have to click on deposit over here, click on deposit, deposit, then you have to select, deposit, then you have to click on deposit crypto, which is this one, the last one. So I'm just going to click on that, deposit crypto. Then I am going to search for Hamster at this search bar. All right, so just going to search HMST. Let me just do the search, and you can see this is Hamster. Okay, this is Hamster. Right, so I'm just going to click on that. Okay, so yes. All right, so now this is it. Okay, so this is the deposit address. Okay, and this is the memo. You can see we have memo, tag, comment, note, and remark. Is the same thing. So you have to copy the address to that section, and also the memo to that memo section. Then you click on save over there, and that is how you can connect your Bybit to it. So as for the wallet in Telegram, when you click on it, you'll be taken to wallet in Telegram for you to do some verifications. So that is basically what it means. And the on-chain airdrop is basically for non-custodial wallets like Tonkeeper, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and others. Okay, yes. So for I prefer exchanges, because on those non-custodial wallets you are going to pay gas fee. Yes, and we don't want to pay anything for an airdrop. So that is it. So thank you very much. I can also reset my option over here, which is this section. I can reset my option to choose another exchange or another platform. You get it? So that is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment at the comment section. When you check the first comment, you're going to see my top 15 Telegram crypto project. Make sure you join, or don't fade on any. If you fade, now your own problem. Oh, thank you, and let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.